There's something curious about this animal that we see so often in our everyday lives, yet no one ever talks about it. Capybara is the largest rodent species in the world, larger than any other rodent except the beaver and the capybara's distant cousin, the guinea pig. Commonly referred to as razorbacks because of their smooth coat, they tend to prefer water to land and live near lakes or rivers in South America, where they mate and give birth to their young. A history lesson. The capybara is a South American rodent that looks like a cross between a guinea pig and a beaver. They are the largest rodents in the world, and they live in groups of up to 100 individuals. Capybaras are semi-aquatic, meaning they spend time both on land and in water. They are excellent swimmers and can even hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Capybaras are social animals that communicate with each other through touch, smell, and sound. Males have scent glands near their tails which release a pungent odor used to mark territory. Females have foreteats for giving milk and care for their young until they reach adulthood. How do they interact with humans? Capybaras are very social animals and enjoy the company of humans. They are often used as therapy animals because of their calm and gentle nature. Capybaras are also known to be very intelligent, and they can learn tricks and tasks quickly. They are even able to recognize their names. A capybara named Gizmo was able to answer when called by name after only 2 weeks of training. Similarly, a capybara in Japan was found lying on his back waiting for a tummy rub when he heard his trainer's voice. Where do they live? Capybaras are semi-aquatic animals that live in Central and South America. They inhabit dense forests near bodies of water, such as rivers and lakes. In the wild, they typically live in groups of 10-20 individuals, but they can also be found living alone or in pairs. Their fur is a grayish-brown color with darker shades on their back. Males grow to an average weight of 60 kg, 132 pounds, while females are a little smaller at 40 kg, 88 pounds. A capybara's body length is 150 cm, 59 inches, with a tail length of 20 cm, 8 inches. The capybara has webbed toes which allow it to swim and move around in shallow waters. How long do they live? In the wild, capybaras can live up to 12 years. However, in captivity, they often only live for about 6 to 8 years. The main reason for this difference is diet and exercise. In the wild, capybaras have to search for food and water, which means they get a lot of exercises. They also eat a variety of plants, which gives them a well-rounded diet. When they are domesticated, their diet consists mainly of just one type of plant. The limited diet and lack of exercise lead to health problems such as obesity and bone problems. Why are their droppings larger than their bodies? Capybara droppings are larger than their bodies because they have a very high-fiber diet. Their droppings are also filled with bacteria that help them break down the cellulose in plants. This bacteria is what gives capybara droppings their characteristic smell. Capybaras eat a lot of plants, which is why they need to excrete large amounts of droppings. They can consume up to 18% of their body weight each day in food, so there's plenty for everyone. In the wild, capybaras spend about 8 hours per day eating and grazing on leaves and grasses. Fact, fiction, and everything in between. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world, and they're native to South America. They're excellent swimmers and can even hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. In the wild, capybaras live in groups of up to 100 individuals, but they're also comfortable around humans and can be found in zoos and sanctuaries all over the world. When startled, a capybara may give off a foul-smelling odor from its anal glands as a defense mechanism. The Latin name for this species is Hydrochoerus hydrochaeris. The word capybara comes from the Tupi language meaning master of the grasses. Thanks for watching.